This clean 55 Chevrolet 210 features plenty of modern must-haves like air conditioning, disc brakes, and a smooth 700 R4 4-speed. But items like a lowered suspension, a buff stroker motor, and a hardy audio system certainly underscore the fact that the car marches to its own beat. Sure, this brilliant turquoise pigment wasn't in Chevy's guns back in 1955, but that dazzling two-stage certainly looks the part on this awesome 210. Thanks to their killer curves, members of the Bel Air family really lend themselves to glossy skin, and this Wagon's refreshing two-tone works perfectly with fresh chrome and new glass to reflect clean, retro-chic aesthetics. Open the doors and you'll find a gorgeous final cockpit. A two-tone dash floats a modern head unit between a modern clock, air conditioning, and sedate classic instruments gauges. Billet foot pedals lead slick Daytona carpet to broad bench seats, and a billet bow-tie branded steering wheel laps a tilting column. Lift the hood and you'll find 383 cubic inches of stroke small block bliss. Cradled in a factory chassis, it sends power to a smooth 700 R4 4-speed, back to a rebuilt GM axle with 355 gears and a posi traction differential. Thanks to Chevrolet's virtually unmatched popularity, the market is full of great Tri-5s. But this super sweet wagon manages a near-perfect balance of road-going prowess and show-stopping aesthetics. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.